Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on playback in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll notice there are actually two different methods you can use to resolve this audio playback issue, so I'll walk you through both of them. For the first method, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Edit menu. Go ahead and click on Edit, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This will open up a new window with various settings options for Audacity. Within this Preferences window, look for the Playback section. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose your audio output device. This is where you'll select your preferred device, whether that's your speakers or your headphones. Make sure you choose the device you actually want to use for listening to your audio. This setting tells Audacity exactly where to send the audio signal, which is why selecting the correct device here is crucial for hearing your playback. Once you've made your selection, click OK to save these changes and close the Preferences window. Now let me show you the second method, which is actually a bit quicker if you prefer a more direct route. At the top of the Audacity window, you'll see an option called Audio Setup. Click on this option, and when you do, a menu will appear with several audio-related settings. Hover your mouse over Playback Device in this menu. This will reveal another submenu showing all your available audio output devices. From here, select your preferred device, whether that's your speakers or your headphones, just like in the first method. This alternative approach gives you immediate access to your playback device settings without having to navigate through the Preferences window. And that's it. You've successfully configured Audacity to play audio through your chosen device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.